Day viewers, welcome to this channel. Breaking news: you must explain why Tinubu legal team watermark is on CTC copies. Atiku camp question PEC. The camp of People Democratic Party (PDP) presidential candidate, former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, has demanded explanation from the Presidential Election Petition Court (PEC) and why satisfied true copy of its judgment bears the header of Bola Tinubu presidential legal team. Niger News recalled there had been insinuations that the tribunal ruling was compromised in favor of President Bola Tinubu due to Tinubu presidential legal team watermarks found on the copies in circulation on social media. However, the coordinator of the Tinubu presidential legal team, Babatunde Ogala San, in a statement on Saturday, debunked such insinuations. According to him, the judgment was not compromised and the watermarks were only applied by the team after they got their own copy of the consolidated judgment from the Court of Appeal. Ogala explained further that the lawyers of the PDP were present at the registry when they picked up the clean copies of the tribunal ruling, adding that the PDP lawyers were often the first to pick copies of the judgment from the court registry. In a statement to Niger News, the Special Assistant Communication to Atiku, Frank Shaib, stated that it is very important that the PEC should tell Nigeria why they choose to have fixed the header of the respondents on the CTC copy of the judgment, whereas the copies that went to the petitioners did not have the same. Was that because Tinubu legal team is deemed to the accorded special privilege? The court must explain, he said. Shaib also requested why the PEC came to the decision to avail the respondent, especially Tinubu legal team, to have a first receipt of the CTC of the judgment before the plaintiff. His statement read, "The curiosity is more founded based on the fact that the lead comes that the lead counsel to Atiku and the PDP had pleaded in the open court to have express receipt of judgment, to which Justice Haruna Tastimani agreed to and promised to make the document available the following day, which was Thursday. Nigeria wants to know why PEC confers special privilege to Tinubu legal team by making them to have first custody of the copy of the PEC judgment, even though it was urgent for the petitioners who needed the document in order to cause an appeal to the Supreme Court within 14 days, including weekend. In the course of delivering its judgment, the PEC has spoken of the petition it was ruling upon in a vexation and denigrating language, as if it was crime to bring a case to electoral banditry before the court. However, unfolding development after the court ruling early suspicion about whether or not Tinubu legal team provided chemical Tinubu legal team provided clerical service to the PEC. Otherwise, how and when did Tinubu presidential legal team creep into the document that was supposed to be official document to the to the Court of Appeal Nigeria? We need to restate that Tinubu presidential legal team on the top left hand corner of all the 798 pages is neither monochrome nor metadata. It is actually a header, meaning that except a valid explanation of the Tinubu presidential legal team is originated of the document. For the purpose of clarity, a header is a text that is placed at the top of a page, while the footer is placed at the bottom of a page. Typically, these areas are used for inserting information such as the name of the government, header chapter and header document, the page number, question, date, and the like. On the other hand, watermark is a faint design made in some paper during manufacture that is visible when held against the light, and typically it denies the marker of the document. The PEC must on its honor, if indeed it still has any clarify why the court choose to put the header of the Tinubu legal team on the CTC copy of its judgment document, while the only emblem that should have been on the document is the stamp of court of law